Hey there, Kentuckiana. Thank you for watching us on WHAS 11 Plus. I'm meteorologist Matt Breland, and another repeating round of normal and nice August weather for us. Throughout this Tuesday, you can expect temperatures to slowly start increasing back into those 80s this afternoon. Still with a mild morning ahead, and for the next upcoming days, our mornings will still remain in that mild trend. But throughout the week, we are gradually starting to warm up across Kentuckiana. The temperatures are going to start feeling a bit muggier too. After last week, we had quite the dips and lows in humidity and also quite the increases from those passing showers and storms. Throughout the remainder of this week, we're going to stay a bit more stable in terms of the humidity levels. Still on the lower side for today, but come Wednesday and Thursday, that's whenever we'll see a steady increase in that humidity, and then we're headed back into a humid pattern throughout this upcoming weekend. Here's what we're expecting temperature-wise as we head into our upcoming mornings. Another round of the 60s to start off our Wednesday morning. Our Thursday and Friday include temperatures into the lower 70s as well. That trend likely carries over into our Saturday, and as we head into the next upcoming week, temperatures will be starting off into the mid-70s as well. So let's go ahead and jump into the futurecast. You could expect that northeast wind still to bring in a steady amount of quiet and dry conditions across Kentuckiana. We're going to remain in this less humid pattern for the morning time. Throughout the afternoon, the sunshine will warm us back up into those mid-80s, but the less humidity still flowing our direction with that less humid trend that's riding along with that northeast flow. We'll still see a few breezes at the northeast between 5 and 10 miles per hour. Just as we head later on into our Tuesday afternoon, those temperatures will gradually start decreasing again, likely back into the 70s as we head into the overnight time. The rain chances will be back in the forecast briefly throughout our Wednesday. We're going to start tomorrow morning off with another round of those 60s. A few passing clouds, and then shower activity likely begins developing farther off towards our east. Going to focus more across central Kentuckiana for our eastern counties throughout our Wednesday afternoon. As we continue going throughout our Wednesday evening and Wednesday night, we'll see those clouds fade away, and we're going to really return back into that summertime setup throughout our Thursday morning and into our Thursday afternoon. It's going to be the return of that summertime shower pattern where we're going to see a few brief downpours scattering across Kentuckiana throughout our Thursday afternoon and into our Thursday evening. We'll continue staying mostly quiet, calm, and dry. Temperatures tonight returning back to those pleasant ranges into the mid to upper 60s, starting to return a bit closer to our average low temperature for this time of the year, with those winds still staying out of the northeast, continuing to bring in a steady amount of those dry conditions for us. Rain showers are still going to be developing throughout our Friday. We're expecting the arrival of some of those summertime showers throughout our Friday afternoon, briefly lasting into Friday evening. They'll clear out by Friday night. We'll start Saturday morning off with a few passing clouds. Very typical summertime setup for our Saturday. Not looking like the normal washouts that we've been seeing over the last several weekends. Thankfully, we're just going to return back to that summertime setup where we see just a few passing clouds and a few passing showers throughout our Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. Sunday morning and Sunday evening also include some of those summertime showers as well, but the rainfall totals between now and Sunday are likely just going to range closer to about ½ an inch. Here's a look at the next 7 days. Temperatures do return into those lower 90s by Thursday. That's expected to be our warmer day. And as we enter the weekend, the rain chances are there, but they're expected to be very scattered in nature. And then by next week, we're likely warming up back into the 90s. That's a look at your 7-day details.